Hello there. In 60 seconds, I will show you the major steps I take in ensuring that the client's logo is maintained after I finish playing around with the logo. I mean, after I'm done with the animation. Number 1. While the client may have sent the logo in SVG format, of course if you watch my previous video, I also request for the finished logo in JPEG. This is very crucial for the second reason. This JPEG file is now cropped into my composition frame and named key size, meaning no matter how I get to deform this logo, it must come back to this shape. 3. Each letter or shape is animated differently in a different composition to align back to its key position. In the end, it's like animating from the end back to the beginning. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this in 60 seconds.